Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the wireless pad and getting the S24 Ultra ready. Make sure the pad is plugged into a 15W or higher adapter so you get maximum speed. This matters because phone and pad negotiate charge rates. Once done, remove bulky cases and set the phone screen up, centering it on the coil area. You do this now instead of fiddling later, because precise placement prevents interruptions and improves thermal behavior during the entire charging session. Next, verify the connection and optimize speed. Look for the charging icon, hear the haptic pulse, or check the lock screen battery indicator to confirm contact. Then, open settings and enable fast wireless charging so the phone and pad negotiate the higher wattage. This reduces total time and heat buildup. While monitoring, remove nearby metal or cards since they interfere with coils. Make small adjustments to recenter the phone until the feedback consistently appears and charging rate stabilizes. To finish, leave the S24 Ultra on the pad until you reach your desired battery level. For battery longevity, avoid keeping it constantly at 100%. If charging stops unexpectedly, first reseat the phone. Small misalignment is common, and reboot the phone. Next, try a different certified adapter or cable to isolate the faulty component. If the phone becomes hot, disconnect immediately and let it cool for 10 to 20 minutes before resuming, because thermal throttling will reduce charge speed and can protect battery health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.